Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You start by confirming your iPhone is up to date and you have an Expressvpn account. Open the App Store, search Expressvpn, and install the official app. Sign in using the credentials you created when purchasing. This links the app to your subscription. When the app asks to add a VPN configuration, allow it. That step grants system-level control so the VPN can route traffic. Once done, the app shows a basic connect screen and is ready for server selection. You now choose a server location based on whether you want speed or access to region-specific content. Tap the large Connect button. Expressvpn negotiates the best protocol and establishes an encrypted tunnel. Make sure network lock, kill switch, is enabled in the app settings so your traffic stops if the VPN drops. If you need to troubleshoot speed, change protocol in settings. The app usually picks the optimal one, but manual selection can help. Make sure background app refresh is allowed for stable reconnections. You finish by verifying the VPN is active. Open Expressvpn, confirm the status shows connected, and check your IP location with an online IP check to confirm routing through the chosen server. For ongoing protection, enable Connect on Demand or Auto Connect options so the VPN reconnects automatically. If something goes wrong, first force close the app and reconnect. If that fails, sign out and reinstall. As a last resort, reset iPhone network settings or contact Expressvpn support, often resolving permission or profile conflicts.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.